timers. We just finished up breakfast this morning right here at the hotel, courtesy of our Hilton Honors points, one of the members' benefits we get for being Hilton Honors members. And that was a pretty good breakfast. Had a great view of the mountains and the football stadium, so that was a good way to start the day. And now we are getting ready to head off to Rocky Mountain Park today, the Grand National Park. I think it's about an hour and a half from Fort Collins, so we're going to be heading over there with Christina today, actually. And yeah, first stop will be Starbucks, I think, in the hotel lobby, and if not, there'll be a Starbucks somewhere along the way. So we are going to get going here soon, and we'll see you guys in a bit. We're with the ladies here today, guys.
Huh?
I said we're with the ladies today.
Hello.
Just
hello, good time.
I never get two ladies. I never get two ladies at one to a girls' day. No. There's a guy. There is a guy here. All right. I was just gonna say that I never have two ladies entertaining me all day usually, but apparently I'm the third lady. Who knew? All right. Anyway, we're off to the where are we? We're going to the Rocky Mountain State Park.
Yeah, Rocky Mountain
National Park. There we go. National Park. With Christina leading the way.
Yep.
Anthony at home, milking a stub toe or something. I don't know. We'll catch up with him later.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Oh, dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond all. Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand. As willows align, we lose track of time. Head up high, now we climb. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond all. A bigger scale, the world inhales as we go.
All right, guys, on the way to the park, we found a damn store we could stop at, so we're gonna check out, see what they have to buy here. Maybe we'll get some damn shirts and some damn hats. Whatever you want to do.
What?
Gotta go get some damn merchandise.
Damn it.
Yeah. Get some damn merchandise. Seems like kind of a damn place that Walt would like.
He would love it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I saw on the sign it's
He loves these kind of damn places.
Yeah. Oh shit, we're all gonna
They even
see
got some. They even got some damn Bigfoots here.
We see something for him.
There you go.
Those are pretty cool.
A damn Bigfoot. I like this. It's kind of. This reminds me of Maine here. Made out of skis and snowboards. Very cool. All right. Gonna get my damn ass inside. All right, inside the damn store now. About damn time. This is never gonna get old.
Never gonna get damn.
No, I'm not gonna get damn tired of this, right? A lot of damn stuff here. You want a damn shot glass?
Did you see this?
Oh, more trees, less assholes. That's a good one. I like that one.
That's a good one.
That's a damn funny t-shirt.
That's funny. Damn funny.
Yeah. Right, there we go. We bought a bunch of damn stuff. I think we're gonna go on top of the damn tower there and take a look around.
Yeah. Cupid squatty.
Yeah. All right, guys, climb the damn stairs to the top of this damn tower. Damn steep. If I have a damn heart attack, somebody's in trouble.
I got the nitro in here.
Feel the damn burn. All right, we made it to the damn top. It's a damn ranch right in front of us.
Oh, damn it, Andy.
I know. Bet they have some damn nice weddings.
Is that a dam?
Yep, there's a dam right there. All right, we're done at the damn store, so off to the next damn place. And that'll be the last damn joke I make.
Is it really though, Andy? Will it be?
Do you really give a damn?
I do give a damn.
Okay.
Oh, did you?
All right, made our way to the top of the mountains here, guys. It's a balmy 42 degrees right now. As you can see, I'm dressed very appropriately. These guys here actually planned a little better. Christina planned the best out of everything, or all of us, I should say.
Yeah.
Kind of like she's been here before.
Yeah. It's like it's not her first rodeo.
Uh-huh.
What are you trying to
I feel like we should fire up some Christmas music, guys, because it's starting to snow. Good time to go inside to the gift shop. Another cool gift shop here. I don't know if it's damn cool, but it's cool.
Anthony and I have bear claw slippers. Yeah. They're like this, but brown.
See if I can find me a damn
Oh my
hat.
god, you should get snowed in this.
And they do have a restaurant here at the gift shop as well, guys. Christina tells me it has the best elk chili she's ever had. I'm not sure how many elk chilies she's actually had either, but this one's the best. Alright, we've made our way over to the parking lot for Bear Lake. Got a little small hike in front of us to do. First of all, the first hike we're doing is going to the restroom though.
Days are speeding by,
where Christina got engaged and where we're all going to get struck by lightning. Cool. Thanks, Christina, for taking us here. We might die.
There's a lot of trees. We're good.
Yeah.
Yeah, just stay away.
Just don't stand in the water right now. All right, guys. So that wraps up another day here in Colorado. So today we went and toured the Rocky Mountain National Park. For some reason I can never remember the name of that place, but anyway, the Rocky Mountain National Park, Rocky Mountain High, that's right. And that was cool. It had a little bit of rain there for a few minutes, but overall it was a pretty nice day. On top of the mountain it was really cold. Actually, it was snowing a little bit up there, so we didn't spend a whole lot of time up there, but still it was cool views, and you'll see that obviously in the footage. And then tonight we just went back to Anthony and Christina's house somewhere in Colorado, and hung out and had some pizza, watched a little bit of the Shining movie, and visited with Anthony because he was a jerk and didn't want to go with us today because I don't know.
He didn't feel well.
I don't think he likes me actually, so I think he has a problem with me. So we'll discuss that behind the scenes. But anyway, tomorrow, if Anthony is up to it, we're gonna go ahead and tour Fort Collins, I think, and play a little mini golf, maybe do some brewery tours, drink some beer, all kinds of fun stuff. So stay tuned, guys, for the next one, and that wraps up today. So until next time,
have a good time.
Have a good time, and we'll see you at sunrise.
Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. Do you know how much I love you, wanna see you smile? Where's that happy girl that I know with a heart on fire? I'll do anything to make it fine, but I can tell that you have something on your mind right now. But I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. We are all about the good vibes. We are all about the good times. Dance until it feels alright, all night. We're all about the good vibes, all about the good vibes. I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready